Hey, have you ever thought about investing in the stock market? Not really. Isn't that something only adults do? Not at all. Investing in the stock market can be a great way to grow your money over time. It's a way to own a small piece of companies that you believe in and support. I'm not sure if it's worth the risk though. Sure, there's always some risk involved in investing, but the potential rewards can be significant. For example, if you invest in a company that grows over time, the value of your investment will increase as well. Okay, but how do I get started? I don't know much about the stock market. It's actually pretty easy to get started. You can open an account with a brokerage firm and start buying and selling stocks. And with the internet, it's easier than ever to research companies and make informed investment decisions. I guess that makes sense. But how do I know which companies to invest in? That's where research comes in. You can look at a company's financial statements, management team, and competitive position to evaluate its potential for growth. You can also consider the current market conditions and economic trends to make informed decisions. Okay, I'm starting to see the benefits of the stock market. Thanks for explaining it to me. No problem, anytime. Just remember to always do your research and invest with a long-term perspective. The stock market can be a great way to build wealth over time.